Now I visit my value big customer in the Qatar, in Doha city. Here manufacture the detergent, hand wash, and some home care liquid for sale in the UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Iran, and the Africa. Now my machine already sold more than 5 years ago. Now my machine running very well for the my big custom factory.
This machine I buy from 5 years ago.
Yes.
I buy this machine from 5 years ago. It is still working very properly.
Very good. Yes. Yes. Today I visit my value custom and give him some maintenance and after service for the machine. But now machine is running very well. I only spend only 10 minutes, yes, to talk with the engineer and worker who maintain and running and operating the machine. Thank you for your custom choose my machine. Thank you for your custom supporting me.
ليش هذا